With the conditions we have, it could pick up again and they could lose that containment. So it does get better today compared to yesterday, but it's still not great. And we have 24 active large fires right now. You can see it's the Texas Panhandle, it's Oklahoma, but it's also back into New Mexico and a couple in West Texas. Here's the area at risk, critical. Not extremely critical, but still critical. The wind, the dry air behind that dry line. You know, we're talking a lot about thunderstorms and the chance for some rain. Yes, it's coming in, and we're going to get that. But I mean, look at how dry we're just starting with. 1/4 of an inch, that's it in Amarillo. An inch of rain, that's it in Lubbock. Albuquerque, less than an inch of rain. And you are not going to get anything out of the system. So we look at all these below average rainfall, Steph, and we just desperately need it and so concerned about the fire danger.
All right, head on AMHQ. No, I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying in general, you have to assume you're always getting video.
They were.
Yeah,
I know.
He's definitely not going to be.
All right. By the way, I saw that Woodbury Commons, the outlet area, when I was doing snow coverage up in New York. It's huge. It's like a city. It's that big. Like you literally can't even walk all around it. You need some transportation. It's huge. All right, travel. Let's talk about turbulence today. We don't have a lot of delays, which is good. But if you are traveling, there could be a bumpy ride, possibly in the west if you're coming in or out of Denver, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, all spots where there could be some extra turbulence just getting to flight level. Northeast, same thing for some of the northeastern hubs. Couple of reports already coming in, but it's not a terrible day. This is great to have for a Friday to kick off the weekend, guys. A good day of travel. Over to you.
All right. Well, on this day in 2008,
expected for late April, perhaps.
Yeah,
that's an area that you're not surprised about. But in late April, this is also expected. The power of the April sun. Check out this picture. So we've got a before and after right here. On one side is a snow-covered sidewalk in Milwaukee from Wednesday. And then take a look at this. The other side, that same sidewalk, a day later, the snow did a disappearing act, and there was no shoveling or salt that was put down, just thanks to the sun. This time of year, you can't just wait for the sun to melt the snow, and we could actually see that from space. Look at this visible satellite from yesterday. All right, so what's not moving is snowpack. All right, so you see where it starts at 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and watch how it just erodes away from south to north. Such a strong sun angle this time of year, and this is just fascinating to watch how quickly it's moving. And where we have not as deep a snowpack, of course, more of it is eroding more quickly. Here we had that, foot plus right across portions of northern Iowa. That's going to take a little bit longer, but Steph, it's melting. The sun right now is the same up here as the sun in middle of August.
Yeah, so it's not.
And we do have flood alerts still in effect here. Flash flood watch is up here for the entire island chain through this evening. The heavy rain concerns, of course, are still with us. They're not the deluge that we saw with those 30 inches, but it's still raining, and obviously everything is saturated. Steph.
Well, warmer temperatures.
And go take a hike. Literally, as the weather eventually warms up, it's time to head outside where you can find some of the top spring hiking trails.
Good morning to our meteorologist, Stephanie.
Friday, things are running on time so far, not expecting any major delays out there. There's a couple of spots I'm watching, and we bring in the plane, we show you the map. There is some green and some red on the map, actually some snow too in the mountains, but I don't think any major hubs will be affected. I don't think it's a big enough area that there'll be airspace impacted and flight routes. So overall, looking good here. It's rare to see on a Friday something like this where we've got no major delays. Denver, it's going to be windy. That would be one of the biggest issues there. It'll also be windy in Las Vegas and Los Angeles, but it shouldn't cause delays. Maybe just a little bumpy on landing or takeoff as you come in or out of these spots here. But otherwise, looking good on a Friday, Steph.
All right. The good thing is we don't have to deal.
The problem is it's just limitless in terms of the fuel, right? There is just so much fuel to burn. We have 26 active fires now, so that number has gone up. It was at 24. We're now at 26. The acreage is at 500,000 fire areas burned by the fire. Critical fire threat today, New Mexico, parts of our Arizona into West Texas. When we look at the rain to date, it has been so paltry out here. Amarillo, 1/4 of an inch. But look at Albuquerque. We need rain desperately. Only 3/4 of an inch of rain for the year. We're not going to get it actually with this next one. It's going to be all east of us. El Paso, Roswell, Oklahoma City, all running below average when it comes to the rain. Steph.
All right, well, coming up next.
I guess they're on in the car when your kids are watching them, but you can't really watch. Anyway, let's talk about safe driving. We're going to get our Subaru safe driving guide today. It's all about the wind if you're traveling in Colorado. There is some snow to talk about, but that's mainly up at elevation. There could be some rain showers before the day is over. Denver, we could see that. But I think wind is going to be your biggest issue out here for travel. So I-70, I-25. We just checked out the DOT and the road conditions. Looks like I-25 is really dealing with some strong winds already today to start. So Denver, south of there, especially, just two hands on the wheel. Slowing down does actually help when you're driving in windy conditions. Steph and Jim?
Well, let's get rid of all electronics.
Hey.
How about that?
Oh, I feel like it's nature's magic show that we're going to show you right here. So
yeah, this is awesome.
Behold the power of the April sun. Check out these pictures. So on one side, we've got a snow-covered sidewalk in the Milwaukee area on Wednesday. You could see the shoes. I want to point that out as well. Look at the shoe choice right here. You got boots, of course, there's snow. Then the next day, the sidewalk is completely clear. The same time a day later, got cute little flats on. The snow did a disappearing act. Heather, thank you for these pictures. And so tells the story of what happened yesterday. That was those 24 hours from Wednesday into Thursday. It's amazing how much snow melted. In fact, we can show you on the satellite what it looked like. And this happened so fast throughout the day. You can see the snow cover eroding. So we start this loop at about 10 a.m. We finished it at about 5 p.m. You see the snow. That's what's not moving. That's the white on there. And it just erodes away throughout the day. The power of that April sun, it's strong. And yes, we still have a snowpack up here in Minnesota, but we have less. The sun is doing some work up here as well. Minneapolis, you're down to 5 inches on the ground. So let's keep it going, Steph, and get rid of some of the snow. That April sun, kind of like an August sun.
Right, exactly. So that's going
to paradise. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of trouble here. A state of emergency on the island of Kauai as Hawaii faces some of the worst flash flooding it has ever seen. The National Guard, the Army, the Coast Guard are airlifting more than 340 people out. Scenes of devastation after getting hammered with nearly 30 inches of rain in 24 hours. And that's why flash flood watches are still up with rain still in the area. Not the big deluge that we saw. I mean, that was tremendous, 30 inches of rainfall. But as we take a look right now, we still have some showers coming in on the Big Island and some scattered showers. You know, especially of concern is on the island of Kauai. That's where we saw that big rain and flooding. And we do have a flash flood warning in effect here for that north coast, including around the Princeville area in that region. All right, so watching what's happening in Hawaii. And Steph, what else are we watching this morning?
Well, our next story is both.
It is Earth Day, and this morning we'll show you how beer is going green, and it's not changing colors, but it is helping the environment.
At our airports this morning.
And looking pretty good. It is Friday. You worry about these long backlogs, right? You're trying to get on vacation, maybe a getaway, or just getting home after a busy week of business travel. No major issues. Now, we have, obviously some weather out here. We've got green and red on the map, but nothing really impacting our big hubs. Denver, the chance for some rain showers end of the day, and wind would be a bigger factor. That could cause a few delays. Boston looks good. New York looks good. That's rare, right? No wind issues, no nothing, no problems. Las Vegas, Los Angeles could be a little bit windy, and that could just create some turbulence, but no weather delays expected at the airports. Now, today we also have some new information about thunderstorms we saw last weekend.
We did, and we saw a powerful
campfire, and you always have like a ring of rocks or something around the campfire, or in your backyard, right? Here's something to contain the fire from moving, and that's containment. It doesn't mean the fire is out. In your backyard, you're doing a fire this evening, the fire's still going, but it's contained. The problem is here, when you don't have containment, the fires can spread. You saw the situation there that Steph was just showing us, where it was limitless with the amount of fuel there is to burn. We have 26 fires. That is up from yesterday. 508,000, so 500,000 acres have been burned so far this year. All right, so here's where, or impacted right now, I should say. Here's where we are right now. We've got critical fire threat today. It's not extreme. Yesterday was extreme, but it's still not good. We still have very dry conditions, and this is a look at where we've had rain so far this year. It's not been much back here where the fires are most prevalent. All the rain has been in eastern Texas, the eastern southern plains, Oklahoma. It's been the eastern side of the state, and where we're going to get the rain today is in some of that area, but it's not going to be, enough rain to put out a fire. It probably won't even make a dent in the fires. We've got El Paso, Roswell, Amarillo, Oklahoma City, all running below average here for the year. Steph.
All right, we'll head on AMHQ.
But no, I think the safest part of your travel is on an airplane, even with turbulence. You're safe in turbulence. Planes can handle it. You should keep your seatbelt, but of course, can get bumped around a bit. But we do have a little bit of turbulence coming in, some moderate reports across eastern Texas. Today, I think it's more likely that if you are flying, you're going to have a bumpy ride in or out of Denver, in or out of Las Vegas, Los Angeles. That's where we've got just